Makiage, thank you very much for sending this over. Just spit a little bit, I'm so sorry. Pull that out, and you have a vinyl little record thing, which is so cute. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't been here before, my name is Brandon. I have been a makeup artist for over a decade and a content creator for about 3 years. Now, this is a big thing for me because after all this time, and I've been working with brands like really hard.
Can I kiss you?
Sure. Is that all?
Not hard. I have been working with brands a lot. Probably within the first 6 months of me starting like my content creation bag, I actually worked with my first brand. And now I've gotten PR, which PR kind of just means like gifted, gratis from the brand. However, I've never received anything from a PR collection.
Ooh, let me play a sad song for you on the world's smallest violin.
And what that means is, you know when you get like, or when you see those videos and someone's got like the collection box that comes in some type of elaborate packaging? I've never gotten one. This is my first, so Il Makiage, thank you very much for sending this over. This is their collaboration with Kathleen lights. This is a disco collection and inspired by Kathleen's favorite decade, which is the 70s.
Minimum wage was $1.60.
Now inside the box, what you get is this amazing holographic cover with this like cool like oil slick. It's also holographic. And you pull that out and you have a vinyl little record thing, which is so cute. And you've got 3 pencils and 1 palette. I'm excited to crack into this. Now Il Makiage, to my memory, has only collabed with one other person in the recent memory, which was a palette with, or a collection, sorry, with Rico Nasty. And that was a little while ago. It was limited edition, just like this one, so you're not gonna be able to get it forever. If you'd like to see the rest of this collection and see me swatch some of these shades, stay tuned for the video. Why is it so hard?
Ever clocked in anywhere before?
No.
Have you ever had a real job?
No.
Okay.
We've got 3 pencils, as you can see here. It looks like we have 1 brown matte, we have a brown metallic, and a copper metallic. So the pencils themselves don't have the color names on them. The color names are only on the boxes, so I'm gonna have to insert these in editing. The liner that's on the top is like a coppery, like gold. The one in the middle is like a bronzy brown, and then the bottom one is like a dark color, but it's more like a raspberry or like a dark wine shade. The main part of this collection is of course the palette. Now here it is called the Disco Fox Pressed Pigment Palette. Now, oh, there's different, okay, got it. Wait, no. Okay, so there's like certain colors that go into certain like categories because they have different ingredients. So there's a mix of mattes, shimmers, and like topper shades. So this is what the palette looks like. It's got a disco ball, Kathleen Light's name, also got a little pair of like boots kicking up over here, and then you got the Il Makiage on the side. This palette feels really nice and sturdy. It looks like it's a neutral palette with little pop of shimmer and this like wine color. If you know me, you know that neutrals really are not my bag, but I heard that these shimmers are phenomenal. So it's actually giving me kind of all the shades that you would need for a matte. It's got pinky colors, warm browns, dark cool browns, so you can really pump up some colors or create shape and dimension if that's what you're really looking for. This is a swatch of what the shimmers look like. As you can see, we've got that bronze shade, kind of like that champagne, then we have like a rosy gold pink one that kind of goes from orangey to like a pink. And then we have this other one that's icy, but it goes like kind of nude and then blue to like a white, opaque, like purple periwinkle shade. So very, very nice. There's also 3 like highlighter looking shades. They look very wet and foiled and gorgeous. So I'm really excited to put this on my face because I spent like a day and a half looking at it, and now I actually have time to play around with the palette. So we're gonna get into it right now. And this was a little pamphlet that was on top of our little record so this was the pamphlet that was on top of our little record that I took out at first. In here, we've got some sticker packs to decorate the palette with, which I think is very cute. But I don't know, I guess I like it. I'm not sure, maybe I liked it more before. So to start off, I've already primed my eyes with my Anastasia eye primer. I'm gonna start dipping into, let's get into this peach matte shade. Now what I was thinking for the look today was that we would keep it all pretty high for the mattes, and then I would go in with some micellar water, clean off the lid, and then add on the shimmers. It's alright. Yeah, it's alright. Next I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna apply at the base of that, the little burgundy tone. And then once the color is placed down, you can take your brush that has little to no product left on it and just move the brush back and forth just to softly blend that line in. So we can kind of smoke it out. As the kids say, smoke it up. That blended very well, like 10 out of 10 for these colors. And so after we've applied that plum wine shade in our crease, which looks really, really nice, I'm actually gonna go into now the darkest shade, which is that brown, the cool tone brown. I'm gonna use that to amp up that crease that we've already created. And now with this, I'm trying to stay as low as I can to the base of that color. All right, now I'm gonna go in with my micellar water and a clean brush, and I'm going to clean up that lid. Okay, so the mattes performed exceptionally well. I really like this little cut crease moment that we are working with here. Don't worry, we're not gonna end at just matte because we are going disco, so we're about to get into these shimmers here. Now I wanna use a little bit more than just one, so I'm gonna take my flat brush and I'm gonna tap into that little rosy shade. And I'm gonna use the rosy shade on the inner corner. Ooh. They're doing really, really well. They're very soft, very rich. As you can see, I'm not even needing to apply pressure to pack it on or to build up the shimmer. It just wants to shine. Then I'm gonna use that same shade on the outer part of my eye. All right, after you've left this middle section open, I'm just gonna clean off my brush. Then I'm gonna go back into the purple shade, the top shimmer, and I'm gonna apply that to the center of my lid. But this is gorgeous. This is a stunning composition of purples, reds. I have a lot of greens in my inventory right now. And so I was really looking for something that's kind of different, and this baby is it. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my god. So I'm gonna take this dark liner and I'm gonna line nearest to my lashes. And I'm gonna create a little bit of a wing. So a little bit of a double wing, if you may. But I'm gonna go do the rest of my face and I will be right back. I've already applied the Il Makiage foundation. This is the I'm Flawless foundation. I'm wearing it in the shade 215. And then I also have the concealers. This is the Woke Up Like This concealer and I have it in 13.25 and 13.5. Now I told you, this liner that we have here, and this is a dark wine color, I need it to be on my mouth, like I really do. So I'm gonna use this eyeliner as a lip liner. So I did just the outline in that deep wine liner color, and I'm going to take the slightly bronzy brown, and I'm going to add that inside of my line. I'm going to take my finger, go back and forth. I'm going to take my Anastasia, this is the Amber Lip Sparkle, which has like multi-reflex. Oh yeah. I don't think y'all understand. I'm so freaking out that I got this PR box. It's honestly a beautiful collection. The colors here are filled with something for everyone. They have neutrals, pops of shimmer, pops of color. You can achieve this very disco-y, out of this world look with just a few steps. And this lip liner, or this eyeliner as a lip liner, is really giving.